So really quick card this time. So I've got a DL white card base. I've got some of my washi sheets and I've just cut a frame. This is from the Creative, what's it called? I'm just going to bring it in actually. Rapid Cards DL card builder set. So really handy for just building quick cards, and I just wanted a black frame, so I've done that. Now these sheets, these washi sheets, like I say, they've got that transparency that you'd expect from washi, but they are also die cut for you, and you can tear them, you can ink onto them and all these different things as well. I'm going to be very careful about just peeling back half the design because they're super sticky, although repositionable, they are super sticky. So I'm just going to put that in something like that, stick down half of this first, and then I can peel back some more of the design like so. There we go. I'm going to trim off these and reposition them elsewhere. Put one of those up there. You can overlap these as well. If you overlap them, you actually end up with deeper colours. You'll see what I mean in a moment. Well, no, actually I didn't plan on overlapping these, but you end up with more opacity, more colour. Just trying not to, sometimes these will stick to themselves, but they come away really easily. Put this one down here. So I'm just using all the excess that I'm cutting away, I'm using on the card too. There we go. Now let's use a little bit of this as well. So I just want to use, so you can tear right across if you want to. Some people will be going, don't tear it. But, you know, it's only paper at the end of the day. It's pretty paper, but it is only paper. Do I want to? No, I don't want to go into there. So if you tear the washi, once it's placed down onto your project, you're not going to see those tear lines. Well, you're not going to see that one anyway, because I'm going to cut that off, but they do kind of just fade in. Let me see, clematis, Mary, she loves clematis. Yeah, they're beautiful like that. I love how quickly they grow and they start climbing. They're gorgeous flowers. Let's pop a little bit more down the bottom. A little bit there. I'm looking for quite random on this card for a background. Do I want any more? I don't think I do actually. So I've got the background there, and then put the frame over the top like so. Let's take my detail glue. I've still got some bits on there that I can use. I apologise, that's right down the microphone. I'm sorry, I can't help that. I'll try not to, and the microphone's on my my neckline of my jumper there, so it's just in the way. So I've only got 10 more minutes. I don't know if I'm going to manage to get another card done. I can try, I can certainly make a start, but I'd like to make sure I announce the winner for the giveaway soon. There we go. So let's choose just a note. Should we go with just a note? Yeah, let's just go with that. Or create wonderful moments. Oh, I don't know. Let's have a look. What else have we got on here? Oh, look at this. Let your dreams blossom. Now, I would suggest use a paper trimmer or a craft knife to cut these out, unless you've got scissors where you can clearly see where you're cutting. Let your dreams bloom. I think that's absolutely perfect. Cut a little bit of black foam. Sorry, I'm not talking as I keep going quiet. It's so I can breathe. Oh dear, poppies and daisies are your favourite, Jackie, are they? Debbie, you've got some daisy dies. Daisies are popular, aren't they, within paper crafting? And poppies you tend to see more, obviously, around remembrance. But, you know, they're beautiful all year round. We did at CraftStash, we had a fantastic poppies poppy paper pack. It's a mouthful of poppy paper pack. I think it's called Field of Dreams, maybe. Like, remember that rightly? If I put that on straight, I think so. There we go.